Boom! Welcome back to another video. We are currently waiting in the car because we're waiting for the park to open, but we are at Thorpe Park today. We're using our Merlin Annual Pass to visit Thorpe Park, take a little trip, go on some rides. The weather's meant to be really good. It does look a little bit busy, but Thorpe Park normally looks busy, but it's not too bad when you get in. But Melissa's sorting out her makeup or whatever's. Makeup. I really desperately need a wee, like really need a wee, but it's okay, I can hold it. No, we're super excited. I can't wait to get on like Swarm. I think that's one of the best rides I saw. No, we're excited, so we'll take you along with us. Get ready for a super cute entrance into Thorpe Park montage. Last weekend we're going to go hard or go home, and we're going for Stealth as our first ride of the day because we may as well go to 80 miles an hour in like 5 seconds for like the first ride of the day, because why not? Exactly that. We never come on this ride first ever, and sometimes we miss this ride if it's ever busy because it's on like the far side of the park. So yeah, Stealth, let's go. Oh my god, Stealth, such a good ride. But we were like unprepared. I don't know why, the queue wasn't moving. There was like loads of empty seats and no one had sat in them. I don't understand. So we quickly ran on, and then it was like, go. Literally go. Such a good ride, so fast, such a rush, such a rush. But everything has gone up, the queues have gone up like really busy. But Swarm and Soar and some other rides aren't open yet. I don't really know why. I hope they will open. But I think where they're not open, everyone's in the same queues. But we're going to go on my favourite, it's only a little ride, it's the Walking Dead ride. I just love it because of the theming. It's only a 10-minute wait, so we're just going to go on that now and then see for some like big rides after. Look at my face in that. I was like, look at that. We just did the Walking Dead ride. That's a good ride, good fun ride, and I think where it's like a busy weekend, they've got everything on. So it's been better the last time we've come, hasn't it? It used to be hard work coming here. Always used to be a lot of problems, but I think so maybe someone else is managing it, I don't know, but it's been so much better whenever we come. But in the Walking Dead, everything was so loud, like so loud. They had actors in the queue, which one of them stood in the corner, which we didn't see, went right past it, jumped out of Melissa, and Melissa literally pooed her pants. No, really good ride. We're now going on Soar, which is an hour's wait. We're going on Soar, which is an hour's wait, but we'll just have some tea in the queue, and I mean, an hour's not awful. Could be worse, couldn't it? Melissa?
Lucy's gonna find a boyfriend!
Oh my god. Okay, the queue for Soar. Shut up! The queue for Soar. I'm gonna tell him. I will tell him.
Ready, hold it.
I will tell him.
Hold this. Ready?
Oh my god. I'm walking away from you. Are a child. Okay, the queue for Soar. No, it was longer than 55 minutes. We're in there like a good hour and a bit. Excellent ride though, amazing ride. We're going to the toilet because I need the toilet again, and then get something to eat. We just stopped to have something to eat. I got a burger with bacon bits, jalapeno and cheese, waffle fries, and Melissa got free bean chili, cheese, barbecue mayo, and waffle fries. Yum! We just went on Nemesis. It was really good, however, there was a bad smell hanging around, wasn't there? Like the whole queue.
What was there?
Everyone's like, it was awful, and one of the members of staff who was working there was literally going around like she'd bitten half a lemon, looking for something. It smelled like a sick, and it was bad. But no, really good ride. We just queued a little bit longer to sit on the front. We've not done that in a long time, and actually I think I prefer that one at the front.
It was fun. Yeah.
Most rides are better on the back, but that one we prefer on the front. We are now going on a Swarm. It's been kind of opening and closing all day. I think it's because of the weather, but it looks like it's raining at the moment. So yeah, anyway, change of plan. We're not going on Swarm because the queue's really long, but we're going to do that.
At least been boring explorer.
I'm not. Anyway, I'm trying to say the change of plan. We're not going to Swarm because the queue is too long, so we're going to go on that on the way out. Now we're going to go on Rush, which is like 25 minutes long, but it's basically a ride that's like a giant swing, a bit like a pirate ship, but you're not sat in a pirate ship, you're sat in a swing. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Come on. We did Rush. It was actually a longer wait than we thought, but we've got like an hour 45 minutes left till the park closes, so we are going to do Detonator, which is one that literally drops, but I hate them rides. I'll go on them, but I hate them. It's the anticipation on the top. We're going to do that, and then Stealth, and then on the way to Swarm we're going to do Walking Dead, 'cause it's kind of on a 5-minute queue, and then do Swarm as our last ride of the day. So yeah, to Detonator. Where's that? Round there, that way, round that way. Yeah. Detonator. Another change plan. We're not doing Detonator because it's 25 minutes and we don't want to keep 25 minutes for that ride. So we're going to do Stealth, which is 35 or 25 minutes. It's not too bad, but it's obviously like a better ride. So we'd rather queue a little bit longer for that one than for that other one. Yeah. So we're doing Stealth again. Maybe we queue for the front this time. Yeah. Maybe we queue for the front. I think we should do it. We're here now. Yeah. Have a little sweet snack in the queue. Cheeky snack. Stealth. That was so good. We queued just a little bit longer. It was only like 5 minutes longer, and sat on the front. That was really good. I nearly lost my contact lenses, not gonna lie. It was so windy. It's windy as well today, so there's like extra wind blowing. You might know it's from that. There's 45 minutes, 50 minutes left till park close. We're going to do Walking Dead again, just because it's like a 5-minute queue, so we may as well just get on it to get on another ride. And then we're going to do, when he tripped up, and then we're going to do Swarm on the way out. It's only half an hour, so we'll probably kind of be finished by 6. Give us a chance to go to the toilet, fill up our drink before we leave. Yeah, so Walking Dead again. Last ride of the day is Swarm. This is a good ride to finish on. Also, it's right by the exit of the park, so there's not too much walking afterwards to get out of the park to the car. So let's go Swarm. Sorry, you can go on, yeah, right. That's such a good shot. For that bit. Yeah, so another change plan. We're not doing Swarm because it's shut. It's been shut. It has been like opening and closing all day, so I'm guessing it's the weather, but I don't really know. So we're going to finish early instead. Finish early and then just go back to the car and get out before the match. Had the best day at Thorpe Park. Favourite ride? Swarm. So my favourite ride was Stealth. It was so good today. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one.